Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a royalty email campaign. So you definitely want to make sure that you stick with me all the way through the rest of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, all right? All right, now with that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want more videos just like this, all right? Now, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so first things first, I'm here inside of the royalty back office. I'm right now on the landing pages tab. But what I'm going to do here in a moment is I'm going to actually go over here to the email campaigns tab. All right, so basically what this allows you to do, if you're familiar with what an autoresponder is, I did an update video showing you guys that royalty allows you to basically be able to automate your emails. So when you get new leads, the emails are going to continue to go out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to be setting up an actual drip campaign that I actually put together, and I'm going to be laying it all out right here on a, setting it up on a campaign. So definitely make sure you pay close attention because this is a super simple process. All right, so here we go, guys. So I'm going to go up here to where it says add new, and I'm going to click on the add new button. All right, so from right here, I'm just going to name this royalty, okay, just for the campaign name. And then I'm going to choose the landing page in which I want this campaign to run on. All right, so this is the landing page that I want this campaign to run on. I'm going to go ahead and hit get started. Now, the way that I like to do my email campaigns, guys, I don't put, too much color and all this other stuff. I kind of like to keep it real simple. Sometimes I'll put like a picture, somewhere in the email, but honestly, I just like to keep the wording, right? Because I want to, create that copy, and that's kind of what I've done here on Microsoft Word, and you guys will see it here in a moment. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my Word file, and these are all the emails that I created. All right, so based upon the amount that you see here, it should be 8 days, okay? 8 days of emails. All right, so I want to go up here to the top, and here is the, where is it at? Where is it at? All right, so here we go. This is the subject line that I'm going to be using, so I'm basically going to copy that. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to put that right in the subject line, just like that. And then right here, I got to remember my email, info at your dreams are real dot I gotta remember what I put there. I think it was your dreams are real dot today. All right, so info at your dreams are real dot today. That's the reply to address. So if someone replies back to my autoresponder, it'll come to that email and then it'll be forwarded over to that way I can actually reach out to them. All right, so that's basically what that is. Now, as you can see, it says send schedule 0. Now, if I'm getting a lead, I want that email to go out immediately. So I'm going to leave that like it is immediately, and then I'm just going to make sure, just double check that I have the right landing page. It says optional, but I'm going to make sure I have that one because that's where I want the campaign to go. All right, now from here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a large text block and I'm going to put it right here. Now, all I'm going to have to do to get this set up is hit edit text block, and then I'm going to go back over here to my Word file. I'm going to copy my email. All right, this is the first email that someone will receive as soon as they opt into that particular page. All right, so this is all that needs to be copied. So I'm just literally going to go over here, put that right in here, and boom, I'm done. Okay, now I may have to edit this to, break it down into the paragraphs, but we'll see here in a moment. All right, so it's going a little bit slow. Okay, so here we go. All right, everything is formatted. I don't have anything else to worry about. So at this point, I just simply go ahead and hit OK, and then I hit save. Well, I got to hit OK right here, and then I just hit save and publish. Boom, it is done, right? That's because I set it up ahead of time. Now, if you're setting it up while you're writing here, then of course you're going to have to, make sure this is a hyperlink and all of that stuff right there. But since I'm done, I'm just going to set that up. That's good to go. Now I'm going to hit save and publish one more time. All right, now from this particular point, all I want to do is I'm going to go back out, right? I'm going to go to email campaigns again. Bear with me. All right, so as you can see, now that's there. Now, to continue and do another one, all I'm going to do is add new again, right? I'm going to add new again, and I'm simply just going to put the same thing, right? Royalty, pick the same landing page, right? The only thing that we're literally going to be changing, right? The only thing that we're going to be changing, I just want to show you, is where it said immediately, right? So you see where it said immediately right there? All I'm going to do is go to days. So since that one was on day 0, I'm just going to put day 1 right here. And then I'm going to go back to my Word, and I'm going to go ahead and copy that particular subject line for day number 1. All right, so boom, I got it copied. I'm literally going to go over here, and I'm setting this up right here. Oh, no, I clicked on the wrong thing. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so let's just hit Control A. Oh, no, Command A. Sorry, this isn't PC. All right, so here we go. All right, let's go back to my Word file. All right, so make sure we got what we got. All right, so I'm going to copy this, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and back over here, and I'm just going to put my subject line right in there like that. Now, same thing that as I just did, info@yourdreamsarereal.today, okay? And then all I'm going to do, everything is set up with the days. It's going to send out the next day after day 0. And then that's it, guys. All I'm going to do, same exact process, is put this in here like that. Click on Edit Text Block. Go over here to what's already done. I'm going to copy this. Boom, right? Because this is a pretty long email, as you can see. And then boom, all I'm going to do here is copy this. Make sure I copy this. And then go back over here. And I'm setting this up, guys, so I can actually get it done. That's why I'm moving so fast, but I just want you to see how simple it is. All right, so boom, I got that set up. Now all I got to do is hit OK. And then I'm just going to hit OK over here, and then I'm going to hit Save and Publish. All right, so now that's 2 emails set up right there. And it didn't take me that long. Now that's set up. Now I'm literally going to go and do the same exact thing. Go to Email Campaigns. Go back over here to my Word. And then go ahead and copy this. And copy, and we're going to go back over here, and we're going to add another new one. So all we're doing is we're just keeping that same campaign name. All right, make sure I spell stuff right. Royalty. And then go ahead and go right back to that same exact landing page. Get started. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set up this subject line. Go ahead and go with info@yourdreamsarereal.today. All right, and then all we're going to do, we're going to change this to days. Okay, and we were on day 1. Now we're going to put day 2. Okay, now all we do from this point, large text. Once again, as you can see, this is pretty simple. Right? This is very simple to set up. You can literally set your thing up. I would say this is probably going to take me roughly 10 or 15 minutes, possibly. All right, so let's go ahead and go. All right, so in a minute here, guys, I'm just going to kind of go on autopilot as I'm putting this stuff in so I can kind of speed it up for you. All right, so we should be good right there. All right, I'm going to hit copy, paste it in there like that. Make sure it looks good. Boom, hit OK. Hit OK here and save and publish. That's 3 emails already, guys. All right, so boom, we're going to go back, same process, same exact process. Go to the email campaign. Go back over here. All right, next subject line. Boom, we got it copied. Now we're just going to follow the same exact process. Add new. Go to royalty. All right, got to get my spelling right. All right, royalty, and boom, we pick the landing page. Boom, we got that set up. Now we're going to go and do the same thing. All right, so we got our subject line. Let's go ahead and type that email. I wish it kind of auto-populated. info@yourdreamsarereal.today. All right, so we're going to change it to days again. That was day 2. Now we're going to put day 3. All right, boom. Go ahead and drag the text box over there. Edit the text box. Boom. Go ahead and grab this. This is a nice short email. All right, go ahead and paste it in there. Boom, we are done. All right, so save and publish. And that's good to go. Another email is set up. Now we're going to day number 4. Okay, this is the 5th email that we've done already. All right, so that's set up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add another new one. We're gonna type the royalty again. All right. Now, usually what I would do, guys, is I would actually have this like written on like my notepad, and then I would just fill everything in, and I would go a whole lot faster than what you see here. All right, so get started. Hopefully, I already copied the subject line for that one. No, I did not. All right, so let's do a Command A real quick. Delete everything. Let's go to the next one. Boom. So we got the headline for this one, and well, the subject line, sorry. All right, so we got that there. Same concept, info at your dreams. Oh man, hopefully I spelled it right. Your dreams are real today. All right, so that was day 3. Now we're gonna do day 4. All right, this will be the 5th or 6th email that I've set up already. All right, so we're gonna drag that, edit text block, boom, go back to the Word file, grab it. Okay, we got that set up. That should be the end of the email. Okay, so it is. All right, so boom, boom. Let's go set it up. Come on, paste it. Boom, got the links already in there. Go ahead and hit OK. Hit save and publish. Okay, so it might not. Okay, so we're good to go. All right, so boom, that's save and publish, and we could do more and more and more, guys. I was gonna go ahead and set up the entire one. So far, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's actually 8 days. So I don't want to take too much time in this video, but I did want to show you how simple this process is, and you can do this up to 90 days. Okay, so if you're someone who just, you're constantly, you got your stuff right, you got your emails already written out, you can literally set this up 90 days out, and you don't have to touch it for 3 months. All right, so this is definitely a powerful tool that Royalty has brought to the table, once again showcasing that it is a all-in-one platform. All right, so I showed you guys pretty much how to do this. Now there is other things that you can do with the autoresponder, add pictures and all of that stuff, but I like to keep it simple just to give you a baseline. All right, so with that being said, if you got value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and drop me a comment down below if this was helpful. And if you're looking, if you're ready to get started with Royalty, I'll leave the first link in the description. All you got to do is click that link. It's actually going to take you over to this website right here. Give me a second. All right, so it's going to take you over to this website right here. I just want to show you what it looks like, just so you have an idea of what you're going to come to. So boom, it's going to bring you to this website, and yes, this website was created inside of the Royalty system. Okay, so just take a look at it real quick. Boom, first all-in-one DIY marketing platform. Boom, you see the video, social media marketing, boom, unlimited landing pages, email marketing, basically showing the entire system here on the page so people get a better understanding. And this is actually our team funnel. All right, so once people get down here, they can see everything they would need to see, showing everything that the system provides. And then once they get down here, once again, if you're not aware, Royalty gives people a free 3-day trial. Okay, you get 3 days to test the system out, the full system, not partial, the full system. Okay, for 3 days. All right, so if you're interested in that, you can definitely come to this page, take the trial, or if you're ready to go, you've been watching me for a while, just go ahead and get started. Give me a call. My phone number is down below, or send me a friend request on Facebook. That way we can stay connected. All right. Now, with that being said, like I said, if you got value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video, my friend. Peace.